Alright, what is up, my internet friends? I hope you're having a fabulous day. It's been like forever since I've done this. I wanted to introduce my car. This is my 2001 Honda Accord. It's seen better days. It's got some issues, but a little backstory on this. I've had this car for 5 years. When I got it, it had issues with the motor. Well, let me rephrase that. About 6 months after I got it, the motor started to die. So I wanted to save it, and I'll show you why. I wanted to save it because of this. Right there. It's a 5-speed. So because it was 5-speed, I wanted to save the car because you can't find them these days. So I went and found a junkyard that had a motor for $350, I think, but it had 94,000 miles on it. And if you know anything about Hondas, these motors will last quite a bit. So I paid someone to do a motor swap in it. Come to find out, he took 1.5 to 2 years. I honestly lost track how long he took, but it was like 1.5 to 2 years. He did half the work, he stole half the parts, and he broke the other half of the parts. So it's been like 3 years. I don't know if you remember Kyle. He helped with the Jeep, but he got it up and running. Took forever trying to find parts that are broken, finding parts that were needing to be replaced. But for the last 3 months, I've been daily driving this. So this is my Honda Accord. I don't know yet what the plan is with this. At the moment, it is completely stock. I'm just trying to figure out all the kinks. Like the exhaust needs to be fixed, the heater needs to be fixed, the alignment needs to be fixed. So things like that, I'm trying to get those worked out. But after that, I'm trying to decide if I want to do a stage 1 on it. Trying to decide if I want to just keep it as a daily driver. But this is my Honda. For those of you that don't remember, or that do remember, I have this here. This is Betty White. I am actually working on editing an off-road video that we took her on 2 years ago. She needs a bath, obviously. She needs tires. But I daily drove Betty White for like 1.5 years, and so she got some use out of her. But the alignment is off. I don't know if you can see, the alignment is way off. But I still have Betty White. She is still here. I'm still going to be working on her. The plan is to get her running and off-roading this summer. So that's a quick update. I know it's kind of quick and brief, but that's what I've been doing. This is what I've got to work with. So thank you guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for your support.